Okay, this video should help you understand, in probability, how to decide whether two events are independent. So we'll go over the laws for independence to start with. If two events, A and B, are independent, then the probability that A occurs would be exactly the same of A occurring given that B has already occurred. So what we're saying is that the event B, if it happens, it has no impact on A. And equally, the other way around would be true. If B occurs, would be exactly the same as B occurring given A had occurred already. So a classic example is the one to do with playing cards. In the playing card example, we're looking at whether you're a jack or a heart. Now there are 4 jacks in a suit of cards. There's 4 suits, and each suit has 1 jack. So there's 3 jacks that are not hearts and 1 jack that is a heart. There's then 13 hearts in the suit. 12 of those hearts are not a jack, and 1 of them is a jack. And then there are 36 cards that are neither a heart or a jack, making the total of 52. So are the events being a jack or being a heart independent? Well, they can happen at the same time, but that doesn't mean they're not independent. What we need to work out is the probability of a jack and the probability of a jack given that you are a heart, and compare. So the probability that I'm a jack, well, there's 4 cards that are a jack out of 52. So that is 4 out of 52, which is 1 out of 13. So the probability that I'm a jack given that I'm a heart, well, if I'm a heart, then there's 13 hearts. And the probability that I'm a jack given that I'm a heart, well, one of those cards is a heart, is 1 out of 13. So you can see that the rule above has been satisfied. The probability that I'm a jack is exactly the same as the probability that I'm a jack given that I'm a heart. So let's go on to another problem and see whether the events A and B are independent. So the probability that I am, let's take B this way this time, it doesn't matter which way around we do it, probably that I'm equal to B is going to be 11 events at B out of 20. And the probability that I am B given that A has occurred, so if A has occurred, there are 9 ways A can occur, 2 ways of B occurring with that, so that would be 2 out of 9. 11/20 is not equivalent to 2 9s, so A and B are not independent. There's 2 examples on the laws of independence and how to prove whether events are independent or not.